Thina wa wuici wa mahiu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ukoretwo utekuraria andu toro na kumaturia mategete mato niguo makaigua hindi iria mahithukirwo ni aici aya. Kurumirira thina uyu, arimi makoretwo makigeria gwicurania uria mangika niguo kugitira mahiu mao kuiyo na kura kaimana, no riu mundu no ahote kwandika ng'ombe kana mburi yake ritwa riria ekwenda rua-ini rwa mahiu ruria rutangithukio na njira oro yothe.
Today I want to brand some animals using a method called freeze branding.
Friend Doro ni umwe wa arimi aya aria matacukitie ikinya riri na kuria aratariria akoretwo akiora mahiu make akihuthira barabu, njira iria aroiga ni njega ukiringithania na njira ya hau kabere kuria mahiu makoretwo makiorwo kuhuthira cuma hiu na wona maiyo kuria gucinitwo no guthogothwo na ruri rure.
One uses dry ice or liquefied carbon dioxide. Most of our neighbors have lost animals and some cannot even afford buying replacement animals. So the threat of cattle rustling.
Ndoro aroiga atacukitie ikinya riri kumana na mitangiko iria magereirio ni aici aya, akiuga riu mari na njira huthu ya gukurana mahiu mao hindi iria maabithaa a borithi mamaiukia kuma kuri moko-ini ma aici aya.
The other types of markings, especially fire or hot branding, is that you scar the leather. The scars also heal and become defaced. So it loses its value over time. In fact, when we used to use hot branding...
We're excited about this exercise with dry ice on branding because again you can see it's an alternative to a more traditional way of branding animals. We realize that this is a much better.
Christopher Gitau, umwe wa ataramu aria makoretwo magiteithereria arimi aya gutabania mihango ino, ni ahinyiriirie arimi gwitikira kuhimbiria njira ino njeru ya gwikira ruri mahiu-ini mao niguo kugeria guthaitira ng'ombe na mburi ciao.
We are interested in developing uses of dry ice and we have been involved recently in an exercise where dry ice is now used in the artificial insemination sector.
Andu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa wira.